everybody and welcome back to the amazing show of Henry Harvin Education, which is called 365 Days of 365 Courses, where we will discuss the different types of courses, the job opportunities, the eligibility criteria, and a lot of things related to the courses that we offer. Today in frame, we have Vikas with us, who is going to tell us about C++ course that we offer. So hi Vikas, how are you?
Yeah, hi, I'm good. What about you?
I'm also great, thank you. So Vikas, tell us what exactly is C++ course?
Okay, C++ is a coding language.
Okay.
Okay, so by the help of that, you can make an application for a desktop, for a mobile phones, right?
Okay.
And if a person done with the C++, so they can go with the collaborate with the people, with the firm, and design the application, right? To easier the task.
Okay, that's amazing. So it's a coding course.
It's a coding course.
Okay, so is there any eligibility criteria?
No.
No
For the coding, you
eligibility
just have to clear your 2++. It's a 12 pass.
Okay.
So that person can go for the C++.
Okay, so there is no foundations or preferred.
Exactly, for the graduation purpose. No, there's no foundation
for eligibility. That's
criteria.
amazing. So tell us about what are the job opportunities that opens up after completion of the course.
Okay, for the C++, you can become a web developer.
Okay.
You can become you make an application for that, right?
Yes.
So you can design a application, you can design a website for the firm, for the person, right? So
Okay, that's amazing. So tell us why a student should come to Henry Harvin and enroll for the course, or what is that USP, or do you think what is that highlight point that makes Henry Harvin different from other edtech companies?
Okay, so basically first point in a online training course. So there's a must things that the person can know from each and everything about the course, about what the opt, right? For
Okay.
that, we have a trainer who already have 8 to 10 years of experience.
Yeah.
That's the plus point, right?
Yes.
Secondly, you also have the flexibility we have,
Okay.
right? For example, that candidate missed their XYZ class.
Yeah.
So they can repeat their same class without paying any single rupee.
Okay, that's amazing.
Even though also they have a 1 year access of their doubt revision sessions. That was the additional point. Okay. For example, that C++ course duration will be a 2 month.
Yeah.
Correct? But after a 2 month, candidate facing any doubt in XYZ topic, so in other firm there is no one to clear them.
Yes.
But from the Henry Harvin, we have a 1 year access of the doubt revision sessions.
Okay, so if any student completed the course and they have any doubts, till 1 year they can access to the recordings or to the trainer itself.
Exactly.
That's amazing. Guys, so many highlights points and still you are not enrolled for this amazing course. Thank you so much Vikas for coming and joining. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, but don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Henry Harvin. Thank you.